How to fix image cropping issues on Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So from here, we can just click website, then click edit site. So now we are in my Squarespace website editor. So for example, I'll add a blank section right here. Then let's add an image block. So now we have this image block, and then we can either upload a file, or we can select from the library, or we can browse some stock images. So I'll just browse some stock images right here in Squarespace. So for example, I want to choose this one, then click add image. So now I have this image right here in the image block. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. So now we have this, and then we can go ahead and adjust its size however we want. But the problem is that, as you can see, the image cropping issue with this image right here is that it doesn't fill all the way to the square that we have right here. This depends on the kind of image that you're using, on what its height and width is. So if you want to, for example, fill the image right here according to the size of your square, it's either you will adjust the size of your image right here until it fills out the square right here, which is around this shape right here. But if you want to fill the whole square or the whole box right here, regardless of its size, you can just click the edit button and then go right here to design, and then just choose fill right here. So in this way, it will adjust the size of your image regardless of the shape that you have for the box. So it will zoom in or zoom out the image according to the size that you have put. And then we can go back right here. And then, for example, we can also change the focal point. So let's say we make the size of the image block like this, but we want the focal point to be a different part of the image. So you can go to content, and then you can see the circle right here. So that means the focus of the image is in the middle of this image right here. So we can move it to the right like this, so that we now have this right part of the image as the focal point. You can move it up or down and anywhere right here in your image, so that it will be focused on that specific area. So for example, if I make this a little bit smaller, we can go ahead and move the focal point up or down. So this depends on the size of the image that you are using. And then that is basically it. So that is what you can do to fix your image cropping issues. And then we also have right here the shape option. So this is an option that you can use if you want your image to be like a certain shape. So for example, we have right here circle, diamond, this shape right here, and then we have some different options. We have for 1-1 shape, we have 2/3 right here, which is like an oblong, rectangle, and so on. And then we have a 3-2, and then we can choose different options right here as well. And then you can also have some more advanced options right here, or settings, where you can stretch the image like this. And then you can also add some image effects if you want to add that to your image. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the image cropping issues right here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.